before an FIR is sent to the police, a complaint is sent to the police station for registration of an FIR.
There is already existing.
Yes.
That's a very simple question. I want to go to both of you on this before I go to the other panelists. A minute maximum to both of you.
No,
Rekha Agarwal, whatever you have said, isn't existing?
No. There is a system which is existing. Mediation takes place in all matrimonial matters.
It is. Pre-litigation is not compulsory.
Pre-litigation is not mandatory.
But not pre-litigation.
In mediation happens in all matrimonial matters. And what happens in mediation centers?
That's what I'm saying.
No, please understand what happens in mediation centers. Yes. What happens at police station? They are all turning into a racket where man is asked how much you are willing to shell out to get your own freedom. It is always about money, nothing beyond it. This does not justify that you create another pre-litigation system where again the only talk is about how much money a man is able to part to get his freedom. Please, when we are talking about certain things, let us not get down to a system where even crimes, right now, even crimes like rape are being settled in mediation centers. What are you talking? Are we getting into a society where blood money will be a...
Advocate Rekha, 30 seconds before I go to others. Advocate Rekha, please respond. Because for a lay viewer, for a lay person, these are very important
I think
points.
With utmost respect, Mr. Kapoor is taking a that's a very myopic view. You cannot... absolutely, I think Mr. Kapoor, with utmost respect to him, that he's taking a very myopic view of the problem that is there. We are talking about matrimonial cases, not heinous crimes like rape or murder, etc. So if pre-litigation is made compulsorily, if the complaints are given a chance, the complainant wife, let us assume that it is the wife who's always wrong. And I'm here, I'm not advocating the cause of wives. It's not that I just take up cases of wives who come to me. And I also appear for husbands. So whether it is the complainant wife or whether it is the complainant husband, let there be a method in which the problem an attempt can be made out to sort it out before the court. Before they go to the court as a last recourse, let us make an attempt and let us make pre-litigation compulsorily. Maybe they patch up, maybe they both come to an amicable settlement about whatever alimony has to be given to the wife or no alimony at all. The wife may just want freedom where the husband may be resisting a divorce case and saying, look, मैं तुमको divorce नहीं देता हूँ, you know.
You proved my point. It is always about money.